Politics Watch. This is Serpi. Now, if you're not tuning into the Klansman trial, I don't know what you're doing. Lock off the Netflix. Lock off the Squid Games. A joke thing that. Circus thing that. Mickey Mouse thing that. The showdown between C4 and these lawyers deserve its own series. Not even Squid Games, so nice. C4 tell a lawyer say, him fi go turn real estate agent lawyer. I can't believe when I read. When I read in the papers, I can't believe it. And then the lawyer, I say C4, right, that river play games to be a man. The two-step people, let me read exactly what I want. And it dep on loop. So the lawyer say, to C4, so how come you can't remember, right, the kerosene, right, our real name, but you remember 30 name, right, as in the people them, who they on trial now. Think about the logic, you know. You can't remember this kerosene, but you can remember, right, them people their name. Una sister, the lawyer them desperate. Think about it. If me and you in a gang, me must know the man them when in the gang. More than me know girl will come and go. Kerosenes are a dime a dozen in a Klansman. The man them get them, pass them round. Kerosene go from 187 to the next 87 and she go over here, so then she drop back over here. So of course it more likely remember the man them, right, we see every day, right, and work with every day in the gang, the man them you grew up with, and a kerosene you pass through. That's no argument. That's the ridiculous. That's like saying, right, to any group of people, how come you remember your, imagine saying to a group of police, how come you remember your squad, you remember the girl you passed through last Friday? What? That doesn't even make sense. Then the defense lawyer say, and this is a direct quote, you don't play, this is people of Jamaica, I surely I'm not making this up, go check it out on loop. The defense lawyer said, right, how come C4 the river with a bag of man? He then goes on to state, right, you know what, they can't go, I think I need to stop this video, so this is, I can't believe me I read, but check it out for yourself because I'm trying to get views. The lawyer said, yeah, that river, right, I play two. People of Jamaica, I don't even know, maybe if nobody had a video. The lawyer said, yeah, that river with a bag of man. C4 count time and say, you don't play football with a bag of man. People of Jamaica, I'm not making this up. C4 asked the lawyer if you don't play football with a bag of man. Me said the courtroom pop up. Me said nobody can keep a straight face. Lawyer laugh, judge laugh, journalist laugh. I mean, if me I read it, I can't stop laugh. And if you make things worse, Kemar Harrison, you know who that, right? Kemar Harrison, aka Stammer. He must say, right, a girl feeling C4 care too. Stammer, I bring the same woman argument. I tell you that this kerosene are the greatest front, the greatest eagle eye in a Jamaican history. See there? Lauren, that's the lawyer, went on to suggest that the witness implicated his client, Kemar Harrison, due to a rift over a woman. He, right, the witness C4 dated on occasions. So C4 in a court because Hezzy, take him girl. Right. Now we are here say, Stammer take him girl too. Then one man can lose so much woman or the same kerosene. From when we get out the same kerosene. Then how much man have this one girl? And how much man C4 go bad mind for the one girl? C4 you too bad mind. You too bad mind. Imagine you testify against so much innocent people. See a one front. To the point the young lawyer in a court that go back and forth. You call lawyer real estate lawyer and man I tell you say, you that river play two with be a man. And you ask if you play football with man. People of Jamaica, only a Jamaican child can go down like this. But what I get to realize is, C4 faced it like the lawyer then, because lawyer faced it, you know. But it look like C4 faced it too. This is going to be a great matchup. But I was reasoning with Patreon Squad. I'm very surprised that Klansman don't deploy, right, them team of kerosenes yet. Right. One of them already in the courts. One of them already, right? I help the argument of, of the legalized C4 vexed out. But I'm expecting to see the kerosene more because in times like this, you need somebody to melt up the judge heart. You need somebody, right, to sway the judge and make him start feel sorry for you. And C4 just wicked and lie, might try to get views. Who can do that between a kerosene? So now wait to see the list of kerosene them or the group of kerosene them roll out. I'm surprised they not deploy them yet. It's going to be very interesting. The Manchester C4 play 2. A River will be a man. And C4 said, then you don't play football will be a man. Think about the question. How can you remember 30 man where you grew up with? 30 man where you quote unquote the business with, bad man business. But you can't remember that. That question that makes sense. But desperate times call for desperate measures. This show you say them back against the wall. May I look out for the kerosene them. Notice the trial. Did I go to a point where I say, well, we not see nothing. I come back with defense in them, but guess what? There's always an ace up the sleeve. In times of doubt, turn to the kerosene. Because the kerosene actually help push the argument say, because C4 can't get me. Because C4 want this. No matter of fact, if you go up and loop, the same defense lawyer, ask for the woman in question, here C4 said, this is a direct quote. She is not my girl, or everybody girl. Me never marry her. I tell them say, people in the courthouse can't keep a straight face. The man said everybody girl. But I'm telling you right now, you see that Neagle life front where she have? People of Jamaica, tomorrow, guess what we're going to do? Because since that front is so powerful, since that front is so great, it makes C4. Before I go any further, think about the logic where the man come with me. The lawyer basically tries to say C4 as fact. That he might try to say no. But on the other hand, he might say at the woman front, make C4 a testify against Clansman. You see the problem there, sir? So which one is it? Him love woman front so much as him willing to testify against the entire Clansman gang and risk him life and the life of everybody in Keyboard over front. But he must crack. These lawyers are confused. When have you ever seen a defense? When have you ever seen a lawyer try to pull some kind of sprat argument as defense now and court? Go read it on loop. Have you ever seen that? So the fact that a lawyer would even try to bring something like this is comical. They need to make up their mind. Right? The man is so upset. So him lose front to Hezi. Right? Lose front to Stammer. That's him go before the court for sink plans. That's how much him love that front. But he must sprat. Oh, that makes sense. A Jamaica alone you'd ever see this. Uncle Sam wish for him trial him could have been like this. Uncle Sam wish, the big trial that go in America while ago, the youth, but them not argue about self-defense and that. A joke thing this compared to Clansman trial. Defense, Steve. Make up on the mind. Make up on the mind. Because when the people, when the public look on the things they want to say, it doesn't look like a big joke. So tomorrow, I want him to tune in because this front is a problem for Jamaica. That front that kerosene is walking around with is a problem for Jamaica. Tomorrow I forgot to do something with that front. Yes. Call your friend, call your family. Right. Tomorrow I'm going to go see something. I'm going to do something with that front tomorrow. Write this up on YouTube. But we're not going to want this. I know you're confused right now. But just, you have to tune in because if I try to explain it, it's not going to make no sense. Tune in on Sunday, you have to go deal with that front. You cannot allow that front to run loose. You transfer to open yourself. Yeah, you don't know, whole life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Rest.